Hi, future coders! Welcome to Code Funhouse, where we make coding fun and easy. Today, we're going to learn about one of the simplest things in Python, variables. Yes, variables. They're like special treasure chests that hold your favorite things. Imagine you have a treasure chest. In Python, that chest is called a variable, and it can hold numbers, words, or even pictures. Variables help us store information so we can use it later in our code. Creating a variable in Python is very simple, probably the simplest thing you'll do in Python. Let's try it together. Step 1. Write the variable name. Type a name for your variable. We'll call ours my underscore name because we're going to store a person's name. Step 2. Type the equals sign. The equals sign tells Python that the value on the right should be stored in our variable. Step 3. Write the value inside double quotes. Now type 2 double quotes, and between them, write a name. In our case, we're going to type John. Step 4. Press Enter to move to the next line, and type the command to show the value. Next, we want Python to show what's inside our variable. Type print, then type the variable name, and close the brackets with A. It should look like this name equals sign John print name. Great job! What we just did is create a variable called name that holds the treasure John. When we run this code, Python will print out John. Now it's your turn. Open your Python editor or any coding playground. Type this code exactly as shown and see what happens when you run it. Then, try changing the value from John to your own name or a friend's name. Let's do it together! Let's try one more example. We can also store numbers. For example, let's create a variable called age. Age equals sign 10 print age. Just like before, age is our treasure chest and it holds the number 10. Try it out and change the number to your age. Awesome job, coders! Today you learned how to create variables in Python and store cool information in them. Remember, variables are like treasure chests that keep your secrets safe until you need them. Keep practicing and soon you'll be a Python pro. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Code Funhouse, and click the bell icon so you never miss a fun coding lesson. See you next time!